Welcome to a United Allergy Labs program in conjunction with your doctor. Allergies are more than just a nuisance. They seriously impact your quality of life with family, work, leisure time, and much-needed rest time. Left untreated, your allergies can lead to more severe problems such as asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia, ear infections, depression, migraine headaches, sleep apnea, and many other serious health problems. There are several common treatments for allergies. Some you may have been trying for years. Maybe you've been taking some medications that only mask your symptoms, spending hundreds of dollars per month without treating the allergy itself. Between the costs of expensive medications, lost productivity at work, and doctor's visits, typical patients spend roughly $2,000 per year to manage their allergy symptoms. Often patients are more irritated with the side effects from the medication than the allergy symptoms themselves. Maybe you've tried over-the-counter drugs. Doctor prescribed steroids and antihistamines, nasal sprays, eye drops, or homeopathic homegrown remedies searching for relief, and nothing seems to work. Well, you may be a good candidate for a new program being offered in the comfort of this doctor's office right now. Allergen immunotherapy can decrease your sensitivity to substances you're allergic to. It works like this. Let's say you were allergic to oak pollen. By exposing you to increasing microscopic amounts of oak pollen over the course of a year, you will develop a tolerance to it. As time goes on, you can develop a tolerance to amounts that once would have sent you sneezing, itching, and scratching all the way to the medicine cabinet. This efficient form of therapy may even be used to treat multiple allergies at the same time. So, what are the benefits of immunotherapy? Studies show that immunotherapy has up to an 85% success rate in reducing allergy symptoms or getting rid of them permanently. You can complete your immunotherapy regime from the comfort of your own home. You may save thousands of dollars by eliminating unnecessary allergy medication. You may no longer have to endure the unpleasant side effects of allergy medication. Your insurance company should cover the majority of the expense of the preferred method of treatment. You may no longer have to miss out on the things that matter to you because of your allergies. United Allergy Labs looks forward to joining you and your doctor in conquering your allergies.